Hello and welcome to Sunsport Gardens, Family Naturist Campground. I'm going to take you on a tour of the bamboo forest. It's a beautiful day here in South Florida. We're in West Palm Beach. This is a family-friendly, clothing-optional campground resort. Safe place for kids, families, men, women, anybody who wants to enjoy the outdoors without having to wear clothes. I'm going to pause this recording until I'm up to the bamboo forest. So this is what much of the campground looks like. Trails, nature trails, woods, more woods. Whoops. Hey, Dave.
Hey, Rich.
No filming of other people without their permission. Hopefully he didn't show up on the video. If he did, I'll have to start all over again. You don't have to worry about having anyone take your picture while you're here. I am actually making this video for the campground, Sunsport Gardens. But I'm not going to be filming any people without their consent. So we're almost at the entrance to the bamboo forest, which is what I want to film. I'm going to pause this recording until I get there. I just got to stop and take a picture of these beautiful flowers. I think this is it. So this is the bamboo forest. This is still being built, just so you know. But it's already so beautiful. We even have butterflies flying around. Each bamboo has its own little information tag. How beautiful is this? You could come see this for yourself. It's only $35 for a day pass, or you could buy a membership and come as often as you'd like. Some people come just for a day pass on their first visit and never leave. Seriously, I've met people that came just on a day pass and never left. Actually bought an RV and moved in. This is probably my favorite bamboo here, the black one. But look at this. Look at the beauty of this place. Look at all the different kinds of bamboo. And this is a naturist campground, so you don't have to wear clothes. You can if you want, but you don't have to. The only place you cannot wear clothes is in the pool, or the pool area. But don't be intimidated by that. It's a family-friendly place, and everybody's very welcoming and nice. So I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the bamboo forest. Come see it for yourself. We're in Loxahatchee, Florida, which is just west of West Palm Beach. Only about 20 minutes west of the Turnpike. And we're open every day. So come visit. You may never leave. Thanks for watching and have a great day.